Kung natanimi nga si Digong sa lecture ni Abante, panoorin nyo ang videong ito dahil bumawi siya sa dalawang congressman at sila naman ang pinahiya ni Digong sa Quadcom hearing.
Like to hear first from the former president. I would indulge in that.
Alam mo, bawal yan to reveal a bank account, even piso lang yan, or 1 billion. Alam mo ba yan? You make it public here. Hindi mo ba alam that I could charge you for that alone? That single statement, I can send you to prison. I guarantee you. Hindi mo ba alam yan?
So gusto po nating ma-confirm lang, dahil po nalaman natin meron talagang reward system at merong pinanggagalingan yung pondo para dun sa reward system.
Sir, sandali. Medyo papahingin mo lang ako ng...
1 minute suspension.
Kaya tinawag yan, sir, ng intelligence pati confidential. Kaya huwag kang magtanong kung anong confidential ginawa ko. Confidential nga. I am protecting the interest of the Republic when I dispense confidential funds to the military and the police. Do not make me account for something which I cannot do legally. That is not allowed by law. I am prohibited from doing it.
Mr. President, my next question in relation to that was just the predicate, the premise po, no? Na you had a personal DDS.
Gago ako?
No, Mr. President, the question supposed to follow was that, could you name those 7 people? Kung pwede niyo po ipangalan yung 7 members ng DDS na yan po.
Members ng DDS?
Your personal civilian DDS, which you mentioned is apparently counterinsurgency force.
Apparently, you know, even if they exist, why would I tell you the names now to you? Ang tingin mo sa akin, stupid.
Mr. President, because we're in an investigation in aid of legislation, and we're ruling out that if they are in
Mag-legislate kayo.
relation to the drug war,
Huwag mo akong isali dyan because I will be putting the people in danger. Yung inyong legislation, mine is law and order. We are far apart in our discussion dito. Biro mo, ibigay mo yung pangalan mo, you put the family and the persons in danger.
Mr.
But
President,
the proper question, ganon?
Can you please rephrase your question, Congressman Gutierrez?
Mr. President, with all due respect, the question of identifying these members was to really look into the purpose, because we're trying to differentiate now those that are within the bounds of law and those that are without in relation to the drug war.
I'm sure that it within the bounds of the law. And I take full responsibility. Huwag ka na maghanap ng iba. Ano yung 7-7 mo? Dito ka na lang tutok sa akin. Ilan ko pang beses sabihin sa inyo, I take full responsibility. If you think that it is illegal or wrong, go ahead and file the case. I would be happy.
Thank
Bakit
you,
pa tayo dito mag-drama niya?
Thank you, Mr. President. I had a
Thank
few
you.
more questions, but given the time constraint, I will yield to other interpollators. Maraming salamat po, President. Mr.
Let's have a
President.
cup
Thank
of
you.
coffee and I will tell you everything.